here we are at one of the biggest coal mines in the world. This is the KPC coal mine in Indonesia, Kalimantan. It used to be called Borneo. You see a big 375 Komatsu there levelling what we call mudstone, which is our base course for the Claycrete project, where presently we've just finished the formation of this section and covered it with that material, and we will be using the Claycrete treatment in this material as base course. As you can see, we've already started ripping, and the big 24H grader has its front wheel. It's continuing with the ripping process. We're ripping down to about 300-350 millimeters. Now that's a big grader. That's the size of a house. Yeah, there's the boss Jeff walked past. Sport the film. This is a 24H. The biggest grader in the world. Look at that. And here we have some more traffic coming through. This Caterpillar dump truck. Hopefully we don't get any more coming through while we're mixing. The next item is actually mixing. So we have a truck loaded with the Claycrete solution in water, ready to join in with the water binding process. This will be the main haul road up to the new dump, and it has to be good. So a lot of work and time and money have gone into this. Without the Claycrete process, this project would have cost a lot more, and probably wouldn't succeed too well without frequent failure. We're just doing it in 200-metre sections at the moment. That's the only compactor we have. Tomorrow we will probably have 2 of these, as that is insufficient compaction equipment. He will just have to travel slower to make sure we have the applied force to complete the compaction process. Okay, here's the start of the adding the Claycrete, this part of the operation. The Claycrete has been added to the water in the tank. There goes the supervisor again, Mr. Kahar. And it will probably, with this depth we're doing, take multiple runs to get the Claycrete in. But as soon as we have the prescribed amount, the correct dosage in this area, we will start the mix. As you can see, a fairly strong breeze blowing today, but it's all going on the mix, and all the material has to be moved anyway, so it doesn't matter if it's a bit heavy in one place or another, as it will all come together as we mix in windrows. The water tank is a 30,000 litre water tank, 6-wheel drive Volvo, a good unit. It's actually equipped with our own dosage pump, which controls the dosage in relation to the speed of the vehicle. Quite a sophisticated bit of equipment. Looks like we have a dump truck trying to sneak through. I'm hoping he will turn to our right. Yes. There goes our man again. Got to have a piece of the action. Probably end up in the monkey bar tonight, I'd say, for 1 hour. He's laughing. He showed me where monkey bar is.
Where's the monkey bar? Stop! Stop! No.
Okay. We're just in time to see everybody running for cover. We're about to have a blast. Everybody run for the hills. There's a Cat 16, the one that's working with us. He's on the run too. Here we go, continuing now with the mixing process. The mixing is about half to 3/4 of the way through now. It's just done in a process of putting the water on in layers and moving the dirt layer by layer into a windrow on our right. A little bit to come off the floor, and then we will mix it back again with the 2 graders, 24 and the 16, to get a uniform mix. I think the 16's having a problem trying to move the windrow, but the 24 is put in front of him. What do you think? That's what I call a full blade, and a bit more. He's coping well. Oh, but by the way, here's the boss again. I'll put him in the picture, look at that. Hey! 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 It's good this? It's bagus? Bagus, he says. This is good. Okay. Final stages of the mix. All that remains now to pick up everything off the floor and heel again tight. The mix is going very well. Again the big grader followed by, which has always been a big grader, but it looks tiny compared to the 24, the 15 does. They're both doing a top job, both operators. I'm proud of them. There's still a dump truck coming up the road running for cover from the blasting site. Yeah, the stray bulldozer coming up for the job too. Amazing what you can find around here if you look hard enough. Just a stray 375 Komatsu. Just came out of a little crack somewhere, I think. That's the blast side over there, we may see it. I suppose it will happen eventually. It appears that everybody is clear. We just carry on any rate. We're not worried about a silly little bit of dynamite. That's really making the 24H work very hard. He's got it articulated, he's got the blade narrow, he's doing everything he can to get that windrow over and finally mix it. Red mudstone, treated with Claycrete. And there it goes.
Okay.
There was a big one. Yep. That was quite a big one, I can tell you. And that's what we're doing. We're working amongst all this sort of thing here. Of course, we're extremely brave people. Us people from Dynamic Stabilisation, as you can see. That's going to take a bit of time to clear. Although the breeze is getting up a bit. Yes. Okay, well, we'll go on from there. Where's this Wally in here, is it? Car, and it should be going there. That's no picture. It play back. But okay, well here we are today. This is a look at a section we mixed and laid in yesterday. It's come up very well. We had a bit of a hold up yesterday morning, but kept the rollers going last night, and this is the end result. Pretty good, I'd say. Had production traffic running on it all night last night, and not a mark in it. Excellent. Today we're doing the section next to it, which is the final section in this part of the project. It's been very difficult. We've been working under traffic. Today's probably the quietest day we've had. We finished ripping. We've started to add the Claycrete, and now we're actually mixing layer by layer. Prior to this we had the compactor on there. You can see them down the bottom there waiting to come on, just smashing up the lumps and in general helping us with the compaction as we go. We should be getting ready for another run of treated water, Claycrete treated water. It's a very important process. Very clay stuff, red mudstone, and here he comes. There's our man. We're running the machine at the moment manually, waiting on parts for the pump. We've had to devise a sort of a process where we can get as close as we can to the exact application. It was difficult at first, but now I think we have it. We should have our parts for the pump in another week. Will simplify matters a hell of a lot. There's our little group turning around. Very important piece of machinery, this compactor. He's actually finished his work for now. He's coming up the side, running over the work we did yesterday. And you'll find he'll hardly leave a mark. It's good to see. Here comes the 24, picking up the treated material to windrow it to the side, ready for laying in. Very good operator. His name is Yusuf Malay. Very good. Very eager to please. And he's one of those smokers. Every time you see him, he's up there having a smoke. Here we have our man on the 24/8, just picking up the last of the mix, ready for laying in. Here comes the last run with the Claycrete. He's done the right thing, he's boxed out the end, right there. So we have a nice box cut at the end for tying in. while we're waiting for the laying in process, we might like to look at some of the wonderful rehabilitation that's going on in the pit at the moment. All this topsoil has been carted with Volvo six-wheel drive dump trucks and spread at the right slope on the waste dumps. And after this, we have a company called Green Planet come and spread the seed and plant trees. It really is it's done very well. Looks like we have our traffic back again. There goes some of the Volvos over the top now. We'll get to the end and here's the dump is load and then we'll be spread. Very good operation. Very good indeed. Nice bit of scenery up there. Oh yes. Here we have the compactor operator and Mr. Tamar, the leading hand. Everything under control. Compacting the floor. Unfortunately, this is the biggest roll that we can find in the mine. They're trying to get us a bigger one now, which will speed up the compaction process quite considerably. And our windrow over there ready. Actually, there's two windrows ready to lay in as soon as the floor is compacted. This is the laying in process. After all the mixing is finally done, it's laid in with the 24H grader and compacted by the 825C compactor, static compactor. Hopefully we will receive a vibrating pad foot to assist in this compaction, which will be greatly enhanced by the introduction of a vibro type machine there. Once all the material is laid in, it will then be compacted, trimmed and compacted with the vibro, smooth drum vibro.